Okay now, love? Hi guys! Shalom! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys! Shalom! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I will try to cook a dish that I haven't cooked yet. It's called an orange chicken. So come here. I want to show you all the recipe that we need. First, we need some sugar, of course. We need eggs, but here I only put 2 eggs since the amount of chicken that I'm gonna cook is not too much. We need some oil, some red chili pepper, the rice vinegar sauce. We need a flour, cornstarch, of course, garlic powder. You can also use garlic cloves, but you need to dice it very thin because you need it to be very thin. And of course we need oranges, and for the orange, of course, we need to squeeze it. It's good to use a natural orange and not the orange that you can buy to the supermarket, those that are not natural. So I prefer to use natural one, which is the orange. There's 2 orange one, and of course we have the orange squeezer. Later I will show you when I'm squeezing them. And I have this bowl where I can mix the eggs later for our coating. And of course chicken. I already cut the chicken. It's a breast part, so like this. So you really need to cut the chicken in a small cube. It's like so that when you put a flour on it, it's like you can eat it one by one, small pieces. And yeah, so continue watching so that you can see on how I'll cook this orange chicken. Okay. So guys, first we're gonna do the coating for the chicken. So look, you also need to have some bowl with you. Here is where I will mix the eggs, okay? And flour, of course, and our cornstarch. We need another one. Just washing that. So I'm doing first the chicken. So much flour. And then we put the cornstarch. Now we need to coat the chicken with the cornstarch, flour, and the egg that we mix together to be ready to fry. So that it will be ready to fry, and then later we will do the sauce. So for now we're doing the chicken, okay? to mix them all. So now guys, we're going to cut this orange and squeeze it to make the sauce, okay? So guys, this is orange sauce. We are going to fry the chicken already in this pan and also to make the sauce, okay? So once it's golden brown already, like what you saw now, you need to put it into a container with just a towel to dry out the oil. Now our chicken is done. So now guys, let's make the sauce for the orange chicken. Orange juice. We put the orange juice. Then guys, we need to add sugar. Wait, there's some more. Okay, look. There. Wait. You mix it together and put some sauce in it. Mix it with some sauce, guys.